What's going on, people? I'm out here, Star Idaho. We're getting ready to start the Idaho BDR, or our version of the Idaho BDR, because the first section is going to be different. We have our own first section, but it will continue at Pine. But here we are, we're out here, nice group of us. I'll do a little introduction to everybody later. We'll get back to you when we get started, all right? Day one, Idaho BDR, Barber rides, starting in Star Idaho, heading towards Pine. Peace.
You're like, this guy's the real deal on coffee. Because he has that same cup. Oh, he does? I'm pretty sure.
All right, I'm out here. We made it to Pine. We're at the lodge. We're about to get some food, get something to drink. Then we're gonna go over to the general store, pick up some supplies, and then we're gonna head up to Trinity Lakes for the night, probably set camp there. I did a little video with Brian. He went inside, but I don't know if I didn't push record or something, man. Something messed up. It was recording. I don't know. Damn phone's overheating, so it's hot. I'm gonna be red when I leave here for sure. All right, peace.
That will always do it. Look what I saw when I was trying to video you guys.
Well, we're up here packing up a little bit, and it just started raining bright. It's just coming down. Yeah, that's crazy. Hopefully it just passes. We don't have to deal with this tonight. But it's bright, sunny. There ain't barely no clouds in the sky. The first overlook we made it to on our way to Trinity Lake. Yeah, I'm out here at Trinity Lake. I'm out here looking all crazy with the bug net on my head. We're in cinematic mode. We're being real cinematic.
I mean, just tons of rain, which we never get.
Yeah.
The beginning of July was even kind of wet. And then we're laughing because it's like, holy shit, then here comes summer. Boom, it's 90 degrees.
I gotta get the interaction. Give me my
Put your thumb
weenie.
on the beaner.
My wiener.
Go.
I know how to put the thumb on the wiener.
Yep.
Right. Oh yeah.
Mustardy relish.
Relishy mustard
beans.
stuff.
What else? Let me see.
What is this?
He made some chili pie. Does that work, Brian?
This Mount Olive hot dog relish is the best.
Oh, here. give you a light there.
It's the best. I love it. You should try some.
It's sponsored
Yeah.
by Mount Olive Relish.
Yeah. Follow my affiliate link for Mount Olive relish. Man, what's going on? End of night one, Idaho BDR, Trinity Lakes. I got people snoring on both sides. I think they'll ward away the bears. Good night.